In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add multiple columns to your spreadsheet, making your data tasks easier and helping you manage your information with enhanced flexibility. Whether you're using this for personal budgeting, team projects, or anything in between, knowing how to quickly expand your workspace is a crucial skill. Let's start by navigating to the far end of your spreadsheet. If you're working on a Windows computer, you can do this swiftly by pressing Ctrl and the right arrow key together. Mac users, you have a similar shortcut, which is to hold Command and then press the right arrow key. This nifty shortcut transports you directly to the last column in your sheet without any unnecessary scrolling, saving you time and effort. Once you're at the end of your spreadsheet, the next step is to select the letter at the top of this last column. This action ensures that you have the entire column selected. With the last column selected, what you'll do next is click and hold this column letter, and then drag your cursor to the left to encompass a total of 10 columns. This technique is perfect for grabbing a block of columns all at once, making bulk actions like insertion far more manageable. When you've got those 10 columns highlighted, it's time to bring your right-click action into play. Right-clicking on this selection will reveal a context menu. From the available options, you'll want to choose Insert 10 Columns Right. By executing this command, you're essentially telling the spreadsheet to create additional space on the right side of your selected columns, enabling you to expand your spreadsheet's capacity with ease. This is where repetition becomes the name of the game. You'll follow this process 9 more times. Each cycle will add another group of 10 columns. If you're wondering why it's necessary to do this repeatedly, here's the deal. Repeating these steps in batches helps you avoid potential hiccups or errors that can occur if you try to add too many columns at once. After you've gone through these iterations, you'll find that you have 100 new columns added to your spreadsheet. This approach not only maximizes your workspace, but also gives you ample room to organize and analyze larger sets of data, whether it's for a significant project or simply an extensive database you're managing. With these new columns at your disposal, you're ready to populate them with data, formulas, or whatever else the situation demands. This method is efficient, straightforward, and a real time saver for anyone who needs to adjust their spreadsheet setup dynamically. Thanks for following along, and be sure to put this useful technique to good use in all your future spreadsheet endeavors.